Epiphan, AVIO, SDI, and HD Plus. These are new versions of already best-selling products. These are capture devices that allow you to go from either SDI or HDMI directly into any laptop or PC via USB. No drivers are recorded. The signal looks gorgeous. These are heavy duty, folks. They're built like a truck. So I want to really emphasize that. These are very solid. If you look at this is the SDI one. They work fantastic. No drivers required. Guys, about 2 years ago in the height of the epidemic, there were a bunch of cheap USB capture devices, and to tell you the truth, they worked exactly what they were worth and paid for. They overheated, they broke down, they only work with some devices, not others. The AVIO family of converters work fantastic regardless of what cameras you're using, what device you're hooking it to, PC, Mac, laptop, desktop. Phenomenal converters for under $500. Your choice of HD Plus or SDI.